the Quiff. Just like with the French crop and the modern mullet, the Quiff has a ton of variations and options. It really boils down to you, your styling personal preference. The one thing you're gonna notice, it's gonna be tighter on the sides and the back, generally gonna be faded, and then a little bit longer, a little bit spiky, a little bit voluminous up on the top. The Pompadour, you also have a ton of variations and options, and that's another style that I feel is still killing it in 2023. In terms of styling, a sea salt spray is a must, right? Pre-styler, you gotta use it for the Quiff. And then a putty or some type of high hold, low shine product, all right? Now, in order for this product to work, you gotta emulsify, right? You're gonna dig it out, place it in dry hands, just like that, right? You don't need a ton. And then you really gotta emulsify, right? It's all about heating up the product, activating it. And what's gonna happen is when you do this, it's gonna go through your hair. Make sure to get down to the root when you're styling either the Quiff or the Pompadour. Using a hairdryer, you're gonna blow the hair until dry into place. A lot of guys also like to use some type of brush or comb in order to help enhance the volume. Once it's dry, if you wanna lock it into place, then I would definitely apply a little bit more hair product just to give it a little bit more separation and hold. You could also use the texture powder, which is amazing. This stuff, I'm telling you, you gotta try it.